If you saw a family member shoplifting, would you report it?
For me, if I saw a family member that doing shoplifting, I would rather talk to her or to him first instead before reporting it. Because for me, my certain solution for that is talk to him first or to her first to understand why he or she did that thing. Because I've been there in that situation also before. Pero that time, kasi hindi ko alam na may dala-dala pala akong item from a mall na nailabas ko siya sa exit. And then, hindi ko intention na hindi bayaran yung item that time. Pero, ang nangyari kasi, nakalimutan ko siyang bayaran. Hindi, may mga guard that time, hindi rin nila ako nakita na may dala akong item na hindi pa pala napapunch. So, maaaring dun sa tanong mo na family member, maaaring may certain reason lang din talaga siya na nangyari, kaya niya nagawa yung ganong bagay. So, I believe that kasi na there is a reason in everything. Kaya, sa iyong question, I would rather ask him first or her first before reporting it.
Would it change if it's someone really close to you?
Yes, of course. Because I believe that in every person or every individual, by addressing the proper solutions, we can change a person or change a person's perspective in their wrongdoings. And by that, I believe that we can change the person.
I'm Giuseppe Andre M. Rojas and this is my sister, Michaela Dori Maranan. I will conduct an interview regarding to coworker that make mistake. Here the question. If a coworker made a mistake that could get them fired, would you tell your boss?
Halimbawa, nagkamali yung katrabaho ko, ang gagawin ko sa umpisa, kung pangunang pagkakamali naman yan, hindi ko agad sasabihin. Kasi pwede ko naman siyang bigyan ng payo or advice na wag nang uulitin. Pero for example, tinry na yun ng padalwa or patatlong beses nangyari, sasabihin ko yun sa boss ko.
And what if it was your close friend?
Kung kaibigan ko naman, syempre, magdadalawang isip ako. Ang gagawin ko, kakausapin ko siya ng personal, itatanong ko kung bakit ganun ang ginawa niya or kung bakit nangyari yung possible na mistake. And then kapag hindi malinaw or hindi maayos yung pagbibigay niya ng rason sa akin, kahit na close friend ko siya at magiging sanhi yun na pagkatanggal niya, isasabihin ko pa din siya sa boss ko.
Hello, my name is John Owen B. Reyes from MET 2201, and this is my sister, Elizabeth B. Reyes, and I'm doing an interview as part of our semestral project in ethics. This is about moral dilemmas, situations where we have to choose between what's right and wrong. I'll ask a few questions, and I'd appreciate your answers. Your answers will only be used for this project. Let's start. Here's your question. What would you do if your best friend asked you to help him cheat on a test?
Hindi ko siya papansinin or sasabihin ko sa kanya na hindi tama ang gawin na mag-cheat sa test. At sasabihin ko sa kanya na hindi ko siya matutulungan sa bagay na iyon.
Why would you choose that? Have you ever faced something like that?
Hindi ko pa naman siya na-experience pero alam ko na hindi tama ang tulungan na kaibigan para mag-cheat or makataas man sa exam.